how to lock the Instagram application with Face ID on iPhone and iPad. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are many other users who want to lock the Instagram application with Face ID, but they don't know the method. Today, I will guide you step by step, and you will easily lock your Instagram application on iPhone without any third-party application. So first of all, open the home shortcuts on your iPhone. So it is home shortcuts. Simply open this, and once you open this home shortcut, just tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now you just have to add an action and simply install the lock screen shortcut. So here is the lock screen shortcut. Simply tap on this and then done. Once you do this, you will get a lock screen shortcut on your iPhone, and after you do this, the next process is to go to automation. Now once here we go guys, make the shortcut run automatically. So simply tap on new automation and you need to scroll down. You just go to apps application, and once here we go, you just choose your Instagram from here. Now you just select your Instagram, and after selecting your application, now you just tap to run immediately and then tap on don't ask. Now once you do this, tap on next, and then here is your lock screen shortcut. Simply press here. Now you'll easily lock your Instagram with Face ID. Now whenever we will open Instagram on our iPhone, it will be locked. Now we can easily unlock it through our Face ID. So this is the method to lock any application on iPhone. So that's basically how you can lock the Instagram application with Face ID on iPhone and iPad. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.